Why do you plus verb 1? Why do you say?
Why do you say?
Why do you eat?
Why do you eat?
Why do you sleep here?
Why do you sleep here?
Why do you go there?
Why do you go there?
Why do you go back?
Why do you go back?
Why do you play football?
Why do you play football?
Why do you drink?
Why do you drink? Why do you drink?
He's been accused of plus verb ing. He's been accused of stealing money.
He's been accused of stealing money.
He's been accused of lying.
He's been accused of lying.
He's been accused of threatening.
He's been accused of threatening.
He's been accused of gambling.
He's been accused of gambling.
He's been accused of using drugs.
He's been accused of using drugs.
He's been accused of bribing.
He's been accused of bribing.
He's been accused of committing adultery.
He's been accused of committing adultery.
He admitted plus verb ing. He admitted stealing some money.
He admitted stealing some money.
He admitted lying.
He admitted lying.
He admitted threatening.
He admitted threatening.
He admitted kidnapping.
He admitted kidnapping.
He admitted bribing.
He admitted bribing.
He admitted accepting bribe.
He admitted accepting bribe.
Admit plus that clause. Admit that you were wrong.
Admit that you were wrong.
Do you admit you were wrong?
Do you admit you were wrong?
Admit that you lied to me.
Admit that you lied to me.
Admit that you feel jealous.
Admit that you feel jealous.
Admit that you were stupid.
Admit that you were stupid.
Admit that you were jailed.
Admit that you were jailed.
Any advance in plus verb ing. Any advantage in buying it.
Any advantage in buying it.
Any advantage in selling that.
Any advantage in selling that.
Any advantage in going abroad.
Any advantage in going abroad.
Any advantage in coming.
Any advantage in coming.
Any advantage in reading books.
Any advantage in reading books.
Any advantage in studying English.
Any advantage in studying English.
Any advantage in talking to you?
Any advantage in talking to you?